Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear first class students, we will discuss about multiplication from your activity book, volume 2, page number 39, beta. This is your activity book, volume 2. See here, fun with dots. Fun with dots. Listen carefully. Look at the blackboard, everybody. 8 can be written as, see here, this is the box. In it, how many 8 balls? 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8. Or 8 balls. We can write in 2 boxes. This is one box. This is second box. Each box contains 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So it can be written as 2 box. So into 4 dots, you can get 8. Or see here, 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are 8 beta. So 2 dots in each box. So 4 boxes into 2 dots, we can get 8. See, 8 it can be written as 1 box. So you will get 8. Means 8 into 1 you will get 8. Next 8 dots it can be written as 2 boxes. How many boxes? 2 boxes. Each box you have to draw 4 dots in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 boxes, 2 into. Each box has how many dots? 4 dots. 2 into 4. 2 4 is 8. As well as, so we have to take 4 boxes. So 4 2s are 8, no? So 4 boxes. So how many boxes you can draw? 4 boxes. In it, you can draw 2 dots in each box. 2 dots in each box. Then 4 boxes into 2 dots in each box. So 4 2s are 8. 8 it can be written as 8 1s are 8. 2 4s are 8. And also 4 2s are 8. Now next, solve the following. Solve the following as given in the above example. See here, how many dots are there? Once see in one box. 1 2 3 4 5, 10 beta. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. See here, this is 10 dots in one box. Or you can read 2 table. 2 5s are 10. So you can draw 2 boxes. So 2 5s are 10. Means you can draw 5 dots in each box. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So You can draw, how many boxes can you draw? You can draw 2 boxes, means 2 into. So, how many dots are there in each box? 5 dots. So, 2 5s are 10. Or 5 2s are 10. Means you can draw 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. See here, you can draw 2 dots in each box. So 5 boxes into 2 dots, 5 2s are 10. Write down everybody. Now next, how many dots are there in second one? 6. So 6 it can be written as 2 3s. Means you have to draw 2 box. This is 2 box. In each box you can draw how many? 3 dots. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. See, number of boxes how many beta here? So you can draw 2 boxes. Then write 2 into how many dots you can draw in each box? 3 dots. So 2 3s are 6. Total ones count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Or so 3 2s are also 6. You can draw 3 boxes. Each box contained 2 dots. Means see how many boxes are there? 3 boxes into each box you can draw 2 dots. Means 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 it can be written as 6 1s are 6. 2 3s are 6 or 3 2s are 6. Write down everybody. Next step, so in one box how many dots are there? 4. So it can be written as 2 2s are 4. So 2 boxes. Each box contain 2 dots. So 2 into 2 you can get 4. Or each box contain 1 dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 into 4. Sorry. See here, 4 boxes into each box contain 1 dot. Means 4 into 1 you can get 4. Now next bit, do the multiplication by drawing the required dots. See here, 6 into 4, that is equals to 4 rows of 6 dots. So means here 4 rows of 6 dots. 4 rows of 6 dots. See here. 4 rows. Each row contains 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rows completed? 3 rows. So row 1, row 2, row 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 4 rows completed. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. So, each row has how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, 24. You can write here 24. 4 rows of 6 means 4 into 6. You can get 24, or 6 into 4. You also get 24. 6 4s are 24, or 4 6 are 24. Write down everywhere. Now next one, five into 3, that is equals to 3 rows of 5 dots. See, that is equals to 3 rows. Each row contain how many dots, beta? 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3. In each row, how many dots we have? 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row, 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third row, 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See here. 5 3s are 15. As also say as well as 3 5s are also 15. Now next, write down everybody. next 7 into 4, that is equals to 4 rows of 7 dots. So each row contains 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First row completed. Second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fourth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many? Count. So I think 28. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 7 4s are 28, also 4 7s are 28. See here. 7 into 4 means 7 is repeated 4 times beta. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 7 21. 21 plus 7 28. That's it. See, repeated 4 times. See here. 7 is how many times repeated? See. 1 time, second time, third time, fourth time. That is 7 4s are 28. Write down. Now next, six fives are 5 rows of 6 dots. See here, 5 rows. Each row contains 6 dots. Means 6 is repeated 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second time completed. Now third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fifth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, 5 rows of 6 dots means 6 is repeated 5 times. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth. See here, 5 rows of 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times beta? 5 times. See here once again, 5 rows of 6 dots. So how many rows completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. See here, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. See here, 6 5s are 6 into 5. 6 is repeated 5 times. Means 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 24 plus 6, 30. So 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Write down everybody. Now next page number 40. Color the grid squares as per the clues given below. See, first one, 2 into 1. You can get 2. Red. See here, 2 ones are 2. So you can fill up with red color. Red color. So 2 grid. Next, 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4 green. Next, 2 threes are 6 yellow. 2 fours are 8 blue. 2 fives are 10 red. 2 six are 12 green. 2 sevens are 14 yellow. 2 eights are 16 blue. 2 nines are 18 pink. 2 tens are 20 brown. See here. Next, green. 2 twos are 4. Next, 2 threes are 6 yellow. Next, 2 fours are 8 blue. Next, 2 fives are 10 red. 2 6 are 12. Green. Two 7s are 14. Yellow. Two 8s are 16. Blue. Two 9s are 18. Pink. Next, 2 9s are 18. Pink. 2 10s are 20. Brown. Okay, beta. This is okay. Today your class is completed. Thank you to all.